RCDOX, this is our super cool highly modified Eurofighter. Top view, side view, bottom view, back view, front view. We put 2 Grayson Hobby micro jets on this plane. We have 2 counter-rotating 6x4 props. We trim our props with our super wire trimmer thingy that we made, and so they didn't scratch the ground, and they work pretty good. Essentially, we have an experimental aircraft that we've been testing. Otherwise, this plane's performing really awesome. And we're just testing it. Will it do high alpha? Will it have a heavy nose? Will it be turned too much this way? What's its flight characteristics and its flight envelopes? One of the things that we wanted to test is high winds. We watched Night Flyer flying in really high winds. And we wondered just how he could do that. That was like amazing. Took this on some high winds to test it, and it's really good. One of the things that you have to watch out for is that so the plane doesn't get too far away from you. If you're flying downwind just in a second, it can get away from you. And that happened to us, and when we were flying, we only could tell which way was up or down, and we almost got lost in the trees. When we were down by the trees, we noticed that the nose was up, so we went full throttle and just by the second saved it. So these are most of the things that you need to learn when you're testing experimental things of your airplane. Go find out from RCDOX!
Go swim.
Go swim.
Oh, he's the best one. He's the one in the best shape.
Guys, there's water in here.
Dump it out.